Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to review and rate products on Wish. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to review and rate products on Wish. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.wish.com. If you're not already logged in, click the sign in button at the top right corner and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account name at the top right corner of the page. You'll be provided with a drop-down menu including wish list, shopping cart, order history, all the way down to logout. Go ahead and click on order history. Now this is going to take you to your order history section where you can view the list of your past orders. Now in here, browse through your order history to find the product you want to view. Then once you find the order, click on the order number or view details link next to the relevant order to open the detailed order page. Then on the order details page, look for a section labeled review or rate this product depending on your current update. Then once you do that, click on the write a review or leave a review button. In the review form, you can rate the product. That is, choose a star rating usually from 1 to 5 stars that reflects your satisfaction with the product, and you can write your review. That is, provide feedback on your experience with the product, mentioning its quality, usability, shipping time, and any other relevant details. If applicable, you may also have the option to upload photos of the product to support your review. So, look for a button that says upload photos or add images and follow the prompts to select images from your device. That's if it is applicable. Once you have completed a review and added any photos, review your text for clarity and correctness. Then click on the submit button to finalize your review. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your review has been submitted successfully. Alright, to see your submitted reviews, you can navigate back to your order history or check your profile under reviews or my review section if available. And your reviews may take some time to appear publicly on the product page. Now, provide honest feedback to help other shoppers make informed decisions and ensure your review complies with Wish community guidelines to avoid any issues with posting. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.